We had so much fun playing with these magnetic blocks. My kids loved them. 160 pieces to be exact. The blocks even come with this cute bag for storage.
There is a ton of these to build that little thing.
Ooh, look. You can make like a flower.
Is that the bottom?
Oh, cool. So it tells you all the things, the different things that you can do.
Letters.
So these are all ideas that you can do. Look.
Stick man. Dad, this is epic.
Yeah, it looks cool.
Stick man with hair. Stick man with hair. I think these are actually going. I'm gonna make something.
Look, you can make some of these.
Oh.
Pick
Oh,
one. Let's
you
make a little
actually
chair.
A duck.
There you go. Make the duck.
Okay, I'm gonna make the duck.
And then show me when you're done making it.
I figured out that you need a lot of.
Oh, yeah. 2D shapes and 3D shapes. These magnetic blocks are made of top quality materials. Yeah. Can you do it? You see?
It's a challenge. But I guess I'm not doing the challenge. I'm just doing them all. We're gonna put this one on the floor.
You could also do things that are not on there. That's a challenge. Let me see. Right? These blocks are colorful, durable, and help with fine motor skills. They also help your child use his or her imagination, and they will be entertained for hours. My kids had so much fun playing with them, ages 5, 7, and 10.
Mom, say goodbye.
You're gonna lift weights?
Say goodbye, Mom.
Okay.
Oh, I made it back.
Playtime has never been more fun.